In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to review the Siteground Startup Hosting Plan in just 5 minutes. This guide is perfect for those who are either new to web hosting or considering Siteground for their hosting needs. We'll walk you through the steps to get a clear understanding of what the startup plan offers, allowing you to make an informed decision. Let's dive right in. To begin, you'll need to visit the Siteground website. It's important to start here because Siteground is one of the most reputable names in web hosting, known for its reliability, excellent customer support, and intuitive services. You can find them by typing Siteground into your browser's search bar. Once you're on their homepage, you'll notice plenty of information about their offerings and services. Next, you'll want to navigate to the WordPress hosting section. WordPress is a popular content management system powering over 40% of websites worldwide. Siteground is recommended by wordpress.org itself, making it a reliable choice for WordPress hosting. Look for the link or button that says WordPress Hosting Plans. It's usually prominently placed given its popularity. Click on that to proceed. When you reach the WordPress Hosting Plans section, you'll be presented with several different options. Here you'll find the Startup Plan, along with other more advanced plans. The Startup Plan is tailored specifically for new website owners or small websites. It includes features such as 10 GB of web space and is suitable for approximately 10,000 monthly visits. This is ideal if you're just launching a small blog or a personal site. Once you've found the startup plan, click on it to explore its specific features in more detail. Siteground makes it easy to compare the startup plan with its other offerings such as the Grow Big or Go Geek plans, which might come in handy if you anticipate needing more resources or features. You'll want to scroll through this page to review all the included features and understand how they align with your needs. Pay close attention to details like the speed technologies provided, security features, and support access. These can significantly impact your experience. As you go through these details, consider your site's projected growth. If you expect a significant increase in traffic, you might contemplate future upgrades. The transparent listing of features and pricing allows you to make these comparisons easily, aiding informed decisions based on what your site demands. By following these steps, you should now have a straightforward understanding of whether the startup plan is right for you. Remember, the key to effective website hosting is choosing a plan that not only fits your current needs, but also adapts as your site grows. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide has helped clarify the process of reviewing Siteground's startup hosting plan. If you have any more questions or need further assistance, don't hesitate to reach out to Siteground's support team as they are always eager to help.